Hello. In this video we're going to show you how you can use the colour sort function on the Janome Memory Craft 9900. So to start with, what we're going to do, we're going to go New Edit. Now we need to bring in a design, so we press Home, Designs, choose the design that we'd like to use. I'm going to go with the rooster. Drag the rooster over here to the left hand side. I'm then going to duplicate the rooster. So this button here is the duplicate. Doesn't look like anything has happened. It's put another copy on top of the other of the original. So I can just drag that one over there. If you'd like to get that one to turn round and face the other way, through our tools here, this tool here is our flip top to bottom or left to right. So if I press this one here, takes me, flips that one back that way. I can press OK. Now if I press OK now, it'll go back into the ready to sew. Press OK and you'll see here I've got 14 colours. If I press this one here to give me my colour list, you can see that the first rooster has 7 colours, and then we're repeating the same series of colours again, which would just take us a lot of extra time in changing colour after colour when we'd already sewn them out with the first one. So to colour sort that so that all those colours will sew at the same time for both those roosters, press the edit along our toolbar here, use the right left until you get to the one here with the purple and yellow spool. Press that one, it'll come up like that, so it'll go purple, yellow, purple, so that's condensing our colours down, so that's colour sorting. Press OK. Press OK and you can see now we've only got 7 colour changes. If I press on our colour list, we've got just the one lot of colours now. So that will save us a lot of time.